Hello, everybody. I'm here to talk about Harry Styles and Logan Paul. Describe if you think Logan Paul is hotter than Harry Styles. Describe. I want to hear you shout out, and I would say who's hot, what you think is hotter in the last video, Harry Styles or Logan Paul. I'm a big fan of Logan Paul, everybody. He's hot. He's my favorite. I know Logan Paul is my favorite. Harry Styles. I'm a huge fan of Harry Styles. Who think Harry Styles is hot? I want to hear you suggest and comment down below. Is Harry Styles hot? No. See, says this. Is Logan Paul hot? It says this. Do Logan Paul watch my videos? It says this. Hold on. Logan Paul watch my video. It says the toy answer. That's a toy. That's not real. So love you. Bye.